These studies lead to valuable understanding of chimpanzees in wildlife facilities.
So, I don't know if he's trying to just cool himself or if he's actually doing a mating dance.
I don't know, he looks kinda...
Their intelligence is unsurpassed.
That's kind of... Oh, he's kneeling down. He's sitting down, too. He's not even standing.
And spend much of the day looking for food. At night, they build nests.
Check out those wings. Up. Ah, did you see him pop up?
The strength of these animals is almost unbelievable.
Up, he's going to go mate with her. Look at that. Wow, we get to go see him mate. I told you that was a mating dance. Holy crap, look at that.
Their muscles are so dense, their lung capacity is so small, and they have no...
Look, she continues to eat as he's doing that.
Or swim, so the water surrounding them keeps them safely on
They're
their
mating.
islands.
And she continues to eat.
Form loosely organized bands of individuals which will remain in a fairly large home range for many years at a time. The social structures of our island communities are quite similar to what you would find
and he
in
continues
Africa,
to
and
dance.
in this respect are unique among captive chimpanzee groups.
That's
found
bizarre,
throughout the
huh?
world.
Yeah.
Like human
Well, we
infants,
never seen that
chimpanzee
before.
babies
Look
are
at, she
playhouse
stuck her
when
head
they're
up.
born,
Is
and
something
for the first
going
few
on?
months of life are held cradled in
Look
their
at her,
mother's
that's
arms.
hilarious.
They are weaned by the time
Oh
they are
my,
about
look
4
at that
years
thing
old,
back there.
just in time for the mother to give
You can
birth
see
to
it
her
hanging
next baby.
down.
Chimpanzees are renowned for their ability to manufacture and
Wow.
utilize their own tools, mostly as aids in collecting food. They are omnivorous, eating about 200 different kinds of leaves and fruit, as well as insects, honey, eggs, small